Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Riaz Hussain and this is our lecture number 35 from the course Advanced Name Reaction. Today we will discuss part 2 of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. In this lecture we will discuss mechanism and synthetic application of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. In this reaction, we have discussed in our previous lecture that lactones are formed. Lactones are cyclic ester. Actually, cyclic esters are the products of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Key concepts. Following concepts will be covered in this lecture. First of all, we will discuss reactants and reagents of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Then we will discuss mechanism of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Mechanism consists of two steps, that is step 1 and step 2. After this, we will discuss synthetic applications of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Among synthetic application, we will discuss synthesis of levorotatory macrolactin A. Then we will discuss synthesis of olindolide, and then we will discuss synthesis of dihydrocladospolide C ethylene acetal. These are the macrolides, or we can say these are the lactones which are formed during the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Reactants and reagents of the Yamaguchi esterification reaction. The reactants are carboxylic acid. It may be the simple carboxylic acid, aliphatic carboxylic acid, or it can be the hydroxy carboxylic acid. Alcohol. If the substrate is hydroxy carboxylic acid, then alcohol are not required as a reactant. If it is simple carboxylic acid, yes, then alcohol is required as a reactant. Yamaguchi reagent, that is 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride, abbreviated as TCBC, triethylamine as a base, and it is removed as triethylammonium hydrochloride. Triethylamine hydrochloride. DMAP, dimethylamminopyridine. This is the structure of dimethylamminopyridine. This is structure of Yamaguchi reagent, that is TCBC, trichlorobenzoyl chloride, and this is triethylamine. This will act as a base. TCBC allows the regioselective synthesis of highly functionalized ester under mild reaction conditions. The synthesis is regioselective synthesis. Yeah, remember, the reaction in the presence of TCBC, trichlorobenzoyl chloride, is regioselective reaction, and this regioselective synthesis leads to the formation of highly functionalized esters, and the reaction conditions during Yamaguchi esterification, or we can say Yamaguchi lactonization, are the milder reaction conditions. General reaction. Here is a question. In the previous slide we have discussed that the substrate for the Yamaguchi esterification is the hydroxy acid. The question is that simple carboxylic acid can be used or not during the Yamaguchi esterification reaction. Yes, simple carboxylic acid are also used during the Yamaguchi esterification. If simple carboxylic acid are used as a substrate, then Yamaguchi esterification is called intermolecular esterification. 1 mole of carboxylic acid will react with 1 mole of alcohol in the presence of 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride, triethylamine, and dimethyl aminopyridine and produce 1 mole of ester. 1 mole of ester is obtained when only simple carboxylic acid are used as a substrate. Reaction completes in 2 steps. The first step is the formation of anhydride. What we have discussed in the previous slides is the same as we are discussing now. The base is the same, that is triethylamine. Reagent is the same, that is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride, but the substrate is changed. The substrate is simple carboxylic acid. The base will abstract the acidic proton from the carboxylic acid and will produce anion, oxyanion, the carboxylate ion. We can say it's the carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion react with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride, and the negative charge on oxygen will attack at carbonyl carbon, and the chlorine of the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride will leave as a chloride ion. As a result, mixed anhydride is formed. So during the first step, mixed anhydride is obtained. That is the simple anhydride. We can say it's a simple anhydride. Second step is the conversion of anhydride into ester in the presence of dimethyl aminopyridine. See this one, this is carboxylic acid reacting with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride in the presence of triethylamine, then it gives us anhydride. This anhydride, upon reacting with alcohol in the presence of dimethyl aminopyridine, then it gives us ester. This is the ester. See, if our substrate is hydroxycarboxylic acid, then in the second step, alcohol will not be used as a reactant. Remember, the alcoholic moiety, the hydroxyl group is present in the substrate. That's why it's a hydroxy acid. The product will be the cyclic ester. The cyclic ester is called lactone. See the difference. Note the difference. If the substrate is simple carboxylic acid, then this carboxylic acid will react with 1 mole of alcohol in the presence of Yamaguchi reagents, which are 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride, dimethyl aminopyridine. The product is simple ester. The reaction is called Yamaguchi esterification. If our reactant or substrate is hydroxy acid, then hydroxyl group and the carboxyl group, both functional groups are present within the same molecule. So the first step will lead us to the formation of the mixed anhydride. Then that mixed anhydride in the presence of DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, cyclize to give us cyclic ester. Cyclic ester is called lactone. The resulting reaction is called Yamaguchi lactonization reaction. See this one, this is another reaction which explain the intramolecular Yamaguchi esterification reaction. Again, it is a macromolecule which is a simple carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid and here is the hydroxyl group. So we can say it's a hydroxycarboxylic acid. The reaction is occurring in the presence of triethylamine. The same reaction conditions which were discussed in the previous slide. The solvent is tetrahydrofuran. The reaction contents are stilled for 2 hours at room temperature. The byproduct is a precipitate of triethylamine hydrochloride which are removed through filtration process. The base will abstract the acidic proton and gives us carboxylate ion. That ion attack at carbonyl carbon of the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzyl chloride, giving us this mixed anhydride. This mixed anhydride dissolved in benzene and added to the refluxing solution of DMAP. The addition of the mixed anhydride to the DMAP solution is maintained slow and the reaction contents are refluxed and stirred for 40 hours. Then the this mixed anhydride cyclize to give us this type of ester. This is cyclic ester. It's a microlates. We can say it's a macrolactonization. 2,4,6 tridimethyl 3-deoxymethanolide. See, the OH which is behind the plane is involved in cyclization. The OH which is above the plane is not involved in the cyclization reaction. So the OH which is pointed towards the ester group, towards the carboxylic acid group, will be involved in cyclization and formation of the ester. Mechanism of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction consists of two steps. The first step is the formation of mixed anhydride. See this one. This is hydroxycarboxylic acid. It is treated with acid chloride. Here this R is the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl. It means this reactant is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, or we can say it's a TCBC. 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride is abbreviated as TCBC. It's a Yamaguchi reagent. The first step is the nucleophilic substitution, acyl substitution. The lone pair of carboxylic oxygen attack at the carbonyl carbon and the bond shifted towards the oxygen, and we have this type of anion which is tetrahedral intermediate. The carbon of the acid halide, the carbonyl carbon of the acid halide becomes tetrahedral. So this negative charge came back and the halogen chlorine leave as leaving group as chloride. The base, that is trithylamine, abstract the proton which is bonded with positively charged oxygen. That proton is abstracted by the base and it gives us this type of anhydride. This is called mixed anhydride. So this green colored fragment is the R. The R is the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. This R is the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. The first step was the synthesis of mixed anhydride. The hydroxy acid was treated with Yamaguchi reagent in the presence of a base, that is trithylamine. Trithylamine abstracts the acidic proton and activates the carboxylic acid by abstracting the acidic proton. As a result, the anion of the carboxylic acid attack at the carbonyl carbon of the Yamaguchi reagent. As a result of this attack, mixed anhydride is obtained. This is the structure of mixed anhydride. Here again the R is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl group. This R is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl group. So in the step 2, DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, is used as the reagent, and in the previous lecture we have discussed that combination of the TCBC and DMAP is the best combination which is used in the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. The Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction occurring in the presence of these two reagents gives us higher yield of the product, and the reaction rate of the reaction will also be high. So the mixed anhydride which is produced in the first step is introduced to the solution of the dimethyl aminopyridine. When the mixed anhydride is introduced slowly, dropwise into the solution of dimethyl aminopyridine, then the lone pair of nitrogen of the dimethyl aminopyridine attacks at the carbonyl carbon of the mixed anhydride and gives us this type of intermediate in which the nitrogen of the DMAP is positively charged and oxygen is carrying a negative charge. This negative charge of the oxygen returned back, and the bond shifted towards the oxygen, and 2,4,6 trichloro benzoyl group, 2,4,6 trichloro benzyloxy group leaves as a leaving group. So RC double bond O negative. So we have, when this 2,4,6 trichloro benzoyl group leaves, then we have this type of cationic species. This type of cationic species show intramolecular cyclization because the hydroxyl group present in the same molecule, the lone pair of oxygen attacks at carbonyl carbon and the bond shifted towards the oxygen, and we have this type of cyclized intermediate in which the oxygen of the hydroxyl group is positively charged, nitrogen of DMAP is also positively charged. The negative charge on the oxygen came back, and DMAP leaves as a leaving group. As a result of this reaction, when DMAP leaves as a leaving group, then we obtain a medium or large sized ring of the lactone. So this is the cyclic ester which is called lactone. If the size of the ring is higher, then it is called macrolactone. So see on this slide, DMAP is attacking as a nucleophile at the carbonyl carbon, and in the end of the reaction this DMAP is recovered. So DMAP is used as a catalyst during this reaction. So the rate of the reaction will be high in the presence of both these reagents, which are DMAP and 2,4,6 trichloro benzoyl chloride. No byproduct is obtained during this reaction, and the yield of the product is also high. This is the mechanism of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. Synthetic applications of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. The first synthetic application is the total synthesis of macrolactin A. Macrolactin A is synthesized by using Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. The stereo-controlled total synthesis of levorotatory macrolactin A. The negative sign present within the bracket shows levorotatory. This is the symbol, or we can say this is the sign of the levorotatory compound. If here is the positive sign, then it means that the compound is dextrorotatory. The positive symbol, the symbol of the positive sign, shows dextrorotatory product. Levorotatory macrolactin A, which is a 24-membered macrolide, 24-membered ring, was achieved by J.P. Marino and his co-workers. So the macrolactin was synthesized by J.P. Marino and his co-workers, and the ring size of macrolactin A is 24-membered ring. So this is called 24-membered macrolide. The key macrocyclization step was carried out using the Yonemitsu modification of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. So the key macrocyclization step was carried out by using some modification in the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. That modification is called Yonemitsu modification. In this procedure, the mixed anhydride is added to the highly dilute solution of DMAP rapidly. So what is the Yonemitsu modification, which is carried out during the synthesis of levorotatory macrolactin A? Remember, the procedure for the Yamaguchi reaction is that the anhydride formed during first step is slowly added, is added drop wise to the solution of DMOP, to the refluxing solution of the DMOP. But when Yonemitsu modification is made in the Yamaguchi procedure, then the mixed anhydride formed during first step is rapidly added to the solution of DMAP. This is the Yonemitsu modification. I think you people understand this. Okay, during Yonemitsu modification, the mixed anhydride formed during the first step is rapidly added to the solution, highly diluted solution of DMAP. But in Yamaguchi macroelectronization, the mixed anhydride form is added drop wise to the refluxing solution of the DMAP. The reaction is carried out at room temperature. The final step of the total synthesis was the removal of the protecting groups under acidic condition. This is the reaction which is showing the total synthesis of levorotatory macrolactin A. So this one, see the reactant. The reactant on one side contain carboxylic acid group, and on the other side it have the hydroxyl group, which is shown below the plane. The hydroxyl group, the stereochemistry of the hydroxyl group is the below the plane. So the reactant is hydroxycarboxylic acid. It is treated with base, that is triethylamine, and the DMAP reagent, it's a Cl3C6H2COCl. It's a 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. The solvent is tetrahydrofuran. Temperature is room temperature, and the reaction contents including hydroxy acid, triethylamine and 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride are stilled at room temperature in the THF for 12 hours. During the first step, this proton of the carboxylic acid is abstracted by a base. The resulting anion will attack at the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride and gives us mixed anhydride. The mixed anhydride formed during the first step is introduced to the solution. The reagent for the solution are shown below the arrow, below this arrow, which are solvent is the toluene, DMAP, dimethylamminopyridine. The concentration of the DMAP in the toluene is 0.001 molar. It means highly dilute solution of DMAP is used. The reaction contents are stilled at room temperature for 1.5 hours. The mixed anhydride form during the first step was introduced rapidly to the very dilute solution of the DMAP at room temperature, and the reaction contents are stilled for 1.5 hours. During this second step, the hydroxyl group of the reactant attack at the carbonyl carbon, and the DMAP leaves as a leaving group. As a result, we obtain this 24 membered macrolide, which is the intermediate of macrolactin, levorotatory macrolactin A. This resulting cyclic ester, which is macrolide, is passed through various steps, 2 more steps, then it is converted to this compound, which is called macrolactin A. The above step is the first step. I means the conversion of hydroxycarboxylic acid to this cyclic ester is Yamaguchi macrolactonization step. This macrolide cyclic intermediate formed during this reaction, passing through 2 more steps, converted to this levorotatory macrolactin A. Enantioselective synthesis of oleandolide. The second synthetic application of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction is synthesis of enantioselective synthesis of oleandolide. The convergent enantioselective synthesis of oleandolide, the A glycan of the macrolide antibiotic oleandomycin. The synthesis of oleandolide was reported by J.S. Panik et al. The key macrocyclization was carried out by a modified Yamaguchi macrolactonization protocol. Procedure: how the oleandolide is synthesized by using modified Yamaguchi macrolactonization protocol. The azeotropically dried dihydroxy acid was first treated with large excess of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride and Honig's base. So the reactant used for the synthesis of oleandolide is dihydroxy acid. This dihydroxy acid was treated with TCBC, which is Yamaguchi reagent, 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. The base used in the synthesis of oleandolide is Honig's base. Honig's base is ethyl diisopropylamine. Honig's base is the name of a specific base which is ethyl diisopropylamine. The dihydroxy acid, upon reaction with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride in the presence of Honig's base, converted to the mixed anhydride. This is the first step. The mixed anhydride was diluted with benzene. The concentration of the product within the solution is kept 0.001 molar. The solution of the resulting anhydride is diluted to much extent. To this dilute solution was added in one portion a large excess of DMAP. Into the solution of mixed anhydride, into the diluted solution of mixed anhydride, a large portion of the DMAP is added in excess. The desired 14-member lactone was isolated in nearly quantitative yield, and no trace of undesired 12-member lactone was detected. So, when DMAP is added in excess into the diluted solution of the mixed anhydride produced in the first step of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction, then 14-member lactone was isolated in a quantitative yield and 12-member lactone was not detected. The unusual high efficiency of the cyclization was attributed to the strong conformational preference induced by the large substituent at C9. So the high efficiency of the cyclization was due to strong conformational preference which is induced by the large substituent at C9. The reaction is shown on the next slide. See this one. This is TBS or trichloro. See this one. This is R group. R is TBS. This is dihydroxy acid. The carboxylic acid present on this side, which is shown with blue color, and the compound on the other side contain 2 hydroxyl group. That's why it's called dihydroxy acid. So the large substituent present at position 9, which is R, it's a TBS group. This hydroxy acid is treated with base, Honig's base, that is called diisopropyl ethylamine. Then 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, the compound shown in green color, Cl3C6 H2COCl. The solvent is the benzene. The reaction contents are still at room temperature for 16 hours. The base will abstract the stick proton. The stick proton from here gives us oxyanion. This oxyanion attack at the carbonyl carbon of the TCBC, which is Yamaguchi reagent, and gives us mixed anhydride. The solution of mixed anhydride produced during the first step is diluted in benzene, and the concentration is maintained at 0.001 molar concentration. Then to this solution the DMAP is added in excess. The DMAP react with the mixed anhydride as a result of the reaction of the mixed anhydride with the DMAP, the 14-membered lactone is obtained. The hydroxyl group present at position 3, which is present below the plane, involved in cyclization. The hydroxyl group present at position 11 is not involved in cyclization. If the hydroxyl group present at position 11 involved in cyclization, then we will obtain 12-membered lactone, but 12-membered lactone was not obtained during the reaction. Why the 12-membered lactone was not obtained? Because the alkoxy group, the R group, is the bulky group which is present near to the OH, because the OH and the O are both present above the plane. So due to steric hindrance and conformational preferences, the OH present at position 12 is not involved in cyclization. So in the second step, this 14-membered lactone is formed, which after passing through various steps is converted to oleindolide. So this is called enantioselective synthesis of oleindolide. The first step of this reaction, which is the conversion of the hydroxy acid to the 14-membered lactone, is called Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Third application of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction is synthesis of dihydrocladospolide C ethylene acetal. See this one. The reactant is again hydroxy acid. The hydroxyl group is present at one end of the reactant molecule, and the carboxylic acid group is present at the other end of the reactant molecule. It is treated with hydroxy acid is treated with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. So the reaction will be the intramolecular Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. In the presence of triethylamine, 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride react with hydroxy acid and gives us mixed anhydride. The resulting mixed anhydride was introduced to the solution of DMAP in toluene, and we obtain this type of cyclic ester. The yield of the product will be 55%. The reaction is called Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. So during this reaction, dextrorotatory dihydrocladospolide C ethylene acetal was prepared by using Yamaguchi reagent, which are 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride and dimethyl aminopyridine. Assignments: explain the differences between Yamaguchi esterification, Yamaguchi lactonization and Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction by giving one example of each. Also, the other assignment is write the mechanism of Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. The mechanism consists of 2 steps. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.